Hello kids, what are you doing? You're getting some vitamin D, both of you, back to back? Alright, alright. You want me to move it for you? Okay, Mama. You both get some sun? Okay. Aloha world, we are outside. Hubby was cleaning here for quite some time. I was going to leave because I want to wash my car. He told me to water. So there's the purple pride of Madeira. It is blooming, at least starting to. And if you can see, there are a lot of bees. Huge ones. Di maklaro. A lot of bees. So if I start screaming, that means gigukod ko. I'm allergic to bees, so I need to be careful. But we keep this one shrub over here, the purple pride of Madeira, because the pollinators fed on them. So here we are, millions of flowers. Paduol ta. Dagan lang yung kuron, basta duulon. One cone has hundreds of flowers. Ay, bee. Mauna world. But right now, ang akong work is to water. going? Say hi, honey. You're on video. Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha world. Heartland over here. Aloha everybody. Good morning. We just dropped off the car for a wash. And honey decided he wants to go for a walk. A walkie walk. What's a walkie walk?
That's a little walk.
A little walk. We're just in the area and hopefully the car will be done and cleansed in about 20 minutes. Hopefully.
So that means we walk 10 minutes one way and 10 minutes back.
Yes, which is only a few blocks really. We'll show you the area world. Nice woody area, pine trees.
Lots of trees.
Lots
Yay.
of trees, yay! Beautiful trees. Those are
Lots
Melaleucas.
Yeah. Melaleucas or eucalyptus, not sure.
Melaleuca.
Yeah? It's because the bark isn't
White.
Yeah.
It's not as soft.
As soft, yeah. The eucalyptus are the soft bark, right?
Yep. And I'm going to show you the other way. It's on. I'm going back. Hello world, it's Pineapple Princess. I hope this video brings everyone happy, healthy, and in good spirits. We are in Rolling Hills Estates and we're taking a little walkie walk. Oh, and I have Minnie Mouse.
Show the back of the shirt.
Back of the shirt.
Ah!
And here's a huge tree right behind me. I don't know what it is, but it is an evergreen. It's tall. Your turn. Shalan Wailinga world.
Churches around here.
Yes. Lots of
Both sides of the
churches.
street, there's churches.
Yes.
Everyone's doing their Sunday Mass this morning. Or
Yes.
I guess it would depend on which church it is if you call it Mass or not, right?
I think Mass refers
For
to
Catholic, right?
mostly the people
Oh,
gathered.
Oh.
Hello world! How long have we been walking?
About 5 minutes. Maybe 6. Covenant Church.
We'll turn the camera around. You have something to say, darling?
Aloha. Have a beautiful day.
No, we're not saying goodbye. Beep, 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 beep. What's wrong, babe? We haven't been to the botanical garden.
Oh, it's been a while, yeah.
Yeah.
I think they're open now. I'm pretty sure they are.
They have been open, it's just you have to reserve.
Oh, you have to have the time slot.
Yeah.
we should probably. Alright. Your hair looks nice today.
Oh, I know, it's wet. He's messing it up. Are you messing it up?
I don't know.
My arms are tired now.
Well, I gave you a selfie stick.
It doesn't fit on this one.
Well, that's because you have it's heavy because you
Yeah,
have all
I
the other
need
stuff
that
on.
there. I needed all these here.
Shouldn't that be in your wallet?
I don't have a wallet. It's broken. Where are we going?
Back the other way.
Where are we going?
Back where we came from.
Okay. I guess the selfie stick would have been helpful right now.
Yes. I think we need to get you a wallet.
No, my wallet is a lucky one.
Oh.
The zipper is broken,
It's
but
so lucky you don't use it.
it hasn't been empty. I have a lot of $1 bills for tung its Renilla and Brother Renilla and Sisville, they're saving pesos, and I'm saving $1 bills for cards.
Oh.
So when we go home, just kidding. No, I don't really know the game that much, but I know when we played last time when I was there.
What game?
The Tongits, it's called Tongits, and I kept winning. So she said $1 for me, and then they use peso.
Oh shit.
Right, Sis Viol? He said shit, Sis Viol.
It's a beautiful day.
It is really nice today, world. Birds are out.
Birds are happy.
Everybody's out, just driving. I bet the beach is crowded. How many?
Probably.
So last night I still had an allergic reaction. I took Benadryl.
Yeah. That's weird because you think it's the crab?
I don't know. It could be my dried fish or the crab. Seafood. But I'll still eat it. So good. It's so good. I only suffer for 1 hour and then I take the Benadryl, but then the taste so good. It's worth it.
Lots of birds.
Yes. Okay, world, we're back. So we are bidding adieu. Aloha. Malama puno.